Hello my quilting friends! My name is Leah Day and welcome to this free motion quilting tutorial for Loopy Angles. So this is basically loopy line, very simple, very common quilting design, only now I am stitching it with straight lines and sharp angles, hence the name Loopy Angles. So this is very easy, and as you can see also very fast. I just have to remember to keep my lines nice and straight. So I'm coming down and I'm just always thinking, okay, I want to turn my angle and create that little triangle shape, kind of which angle that I want to come from. Because you can get yourself kind of boxed into a situation where, it doesn't really necessarily make the nicest shape. So like right here, it wasn't really maybe the best choice to turn it that way, maybe turn it the other way. But, this is one of those things where it's like, don't overthink it. Just work your way back out of that area. And you can also vary the size of your loopy angles, of your loops, and make them, some of them really tiny and some of them much bigger, and that's going to definitely change the look and feel of the design. But this is going to be a great all-over quilting design. It's going to cover your quilt with texture. It's going to be fast. It's going to be simple. The biggest thing, at least on a home sewing machine, is just to remember to go nice and slow. Keep your hands moving at a slow, steady pace while you run the machine fairly fast. As you can hear, my machine's running fairly fast here, and that's because I'm moving so quickly. I can make these shapes and stitch these angles so fast. I need to run the machine fast, but my hands remain going slow. So keep that in mind as you give Loopy Angles a try. Find many more free motion quilting videos at leahday.com/FMQ.